Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how you are going to link your email for the listing of CEX. All right, for the listing of cex.io, you have to link your email to Be Sexy. All right, you have to link your email to Be Sexy. The linking of email is going to be directly or through the CEX application. So I'm going to show you how to do it through the cex.io application. All right, so before we begin, if you know you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure I hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to keep updating with information like this, and I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel. If you want to be part of my community, you can just touch the link and join my WhatsApp/Telegram channels. All right, so as you can see, this is the information we received from Be Sexy. This is the official community channel of Be Sexy, where the listing of CEX is going to be on. All right, so CEX said the listing and everything concerning the listing is going to be on this Be Sexy community channel, and this is the information they released today. They say how to be qualified for airdrop. They say step 1, I have mentioned the criteria for the airdrop. They have mentioned all the 4 criteria for airdrop, and this is number 1, and this is how to do number 1. All right, they are going to do them one by one, and number 1 is here and ready, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, just stay calm, watch and stay with me. All right, so as you can see, they say how to qualify for the airdrop. Step 1, email verification. Email verification is one of the key steps to qualify for the airdrop. You see, this is what they said, it's one of the key steps to qualify for the airdrop. And they said you can already complete it. Just head to the besexy.io portal, either directly or through any of the 3 partner tab games. As you all know, Be Sexy have CEX have like a 3 different tap games. All right, we have the cex.io, that is the one we are doing right now, and we have the Wingworm the drum. All right, you remember that drum mining is their project also, and we have CDEX is their project also. So these are the 3 projects that are going to list on Be Sexy. All right, so we are going to tap on CEX because this is our project. All right, so I'm going to tap on CEX. I'm going to start the application right now. This is actually not my real account, because I have already linked my email to my real account. This is just one of the accounts I opened and I abandoned. All right, so I just want to show you through this account. All right, so what you are going to see, as you can see, this is my CEX homepage. This is my CEX homepage. When you look up there, you see the airdrop part. Then you click on the airdrop like this. When you click on the airdrop, it's going to take you to the Be Sexy website. This is the website. As you can see, they say get started. Then you press on this get started like this. So as you can see, it opens. So what you see here is your email. When you touch here and you write down your email, they are going to send you notification through your email. All right, so I'm going to write one of my emails in here. So this is one of my emails. I'm going to send the code through. I'm going to send the code to my email, and I'm going to have to wait. All right, they said you should wait. All right, if they didn't send the code instantly, you can just wait a bit. All right, for them. So I'm going to go and check the email. As you can see, they have already sent the email. It's up here. This is the code, is 478330. 478330. All right, 4747833 then 0. As you can see, this is my code. Then I'll press continue. As you can see, this is all. I'm done with this. All right, as you can see, it's very simple and easy. And immediately after you connect your immediately after the connection of your email, you are going to see your position. This is my position on this account. I am at 10 million. I am 10 million out of 10 million. All right, I am 10 million out of 10 million. All right, so this is how to do it. As you can see, they gave you invitation link if you want to invite your friends to be part of this, and you can invite more people to be part of this. All right, so this is how to do it. I think this is very simple and easy. And please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because we are going to keep doing this until the end of this project, until we get our airdrop. All right, and I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel if you want to be part of my community, because that is where exactly I will be updating with informations that does require videos. All right, so thank you for watching. Peace. God bless you.